Hi, this is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending June 21st of 2019. Indications by central banks they will offer easier monetary policy if economic conditions do not improve lifted markets as the S&P 500 rose 2.2%. Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 2.4%, while the Nasdaq Composite appreciated 3%. Lastly, the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index gained 1.8% week. The S&P 500 saw all 11 economic sectors gain on the week, with 7 of those sectors appreciating more than 1%. Energy led the pack, up 5.2% as oil prices surged. At its meeting this week, the Federal Reserve chose not to cut interest rates. However, in its statement, it removed the language that it will be patient and changed it to indicate that it will act appropriately to sustain the economic expansion. This led many to conclude that the Fed will cut interest rates in July if trade conditions do not improve. As of Friday, the Fed funds futures market is implying a 100% probability of an interest rate cut at the Fed's next meeting at the end of July. On the trade front, President Trump announced that he will meet with Chinese President Xi this week at the G20 summit. This helped many trade-sensitive stocks such as semiconductors, which appreciated 4% based on the Philly Semiconductor Index. In the oil markets, West Texas crude appreciated 9.2% this week, closing above $57 a barrel. Gains were led following Iran's strike on a U.S. military drone over the Straits of Hormuz. In fixed income markets, the 10-year Treasury yield dipped below 2% intra-week. However, it closed Friday at a yield of 2.07%, down only a basis point from the prior week. Shorter-term rates continued to fall as the 2-year Treasury yield was down 6 basis points, finishing the week at a yield of 1.78%. Lastly, the dollar depreciated 1.4% on the week. That concludes the week in review for the week ending June 21st. Thank you and have a good week.